Here's the estimation for problem number 6. 3½ estimates to be 3½. 2 5/9 estimates to be 2½. Again, we look for that benchmark estimate. So we have 2 0/9. That would be to the nearest 0. 2 4.5 over 9 would be to the nearest half. And 2 9/9 would be to the next whole. 5/9 is a half step away from 4.5, therefore it rounds or estimates to 2½. 3½ minus 2½ is 1. And if we're actually solving, we do not have a common denominator. To find a common denominator, we know that we can always multiply our denominators together. Our denominator is going to be 18. 18 is a multiple of both 2 and 9. Because we multiplied 2 times 9, we have to multiply 1 times 9. So our numerator is 9. Because we multiplied 9 times 2, we have to multiply our numerator times 2, which is 10. The students will refer to this as cross-multiplying. 2 times 5 is 10, 9 times 1 is 9. We'll rewrite our problem. 3 9/18 minus, sorry, it's hard to hold the phone and the paper at the same time, 2 10/18. So right here we're subtracting. We need to realize that if we have 9, we cannot take 10 away. So we have to borrow. We borrow from our whole. So we'll take 1 whole away from here and add our whole to our fractional part. The numerator is going to be 27. A trick that they can use is to add the numerator and the denominator of 27, but what is really happening, they should be able to explain to you, is that they are adding the whole 18/18. So 9/18 plus 18/18 is 27/18. 2 minus 2 is 0. 27 minus 10 is 17, and the denominator is 18. 17/18 is our answer. And on number 7, back to estimating. 2 3/4 estimates to be 3. 1 1/5 estimates to be 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we're actually going to solve. We need a common denominator. Our common denominator is going to be 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Sorry, I can't hold the paper. Hang on a second. All right, here we go. 4 times 5 is 20. Because we multiplied 4 times 5, we have to do 3 times 5, which is referred to as cross-multiplying sometimes. 5 times 4 is 20, so 1 times 4 is 4. Now we have a common denominator of 20. We're going to rewrite our problem. 2 15/20 plus 1 4/20. 2 plus 1 is 3. 15 plus 4 is 19/20. 3 19/20.